Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna talk about BeraChain airdrop, an airdrop that you cannot miss. As you can see guys, last couple of months and weeks, lots of people have made lots of money from different kind of airdrops. For an example, I saw on YouTube there was a teenager made a couple of $100,000 from Jupiter airdrop a few weeks ago. People are making lots of money and doing some simple things on the testnet or in the on the DEX, swapping, bridging, and providing liquidity and all this sort of thing, and they will be able to eligible for an airdrop. So guys, I have digged into this, and then I just also want to get involved in an airdrop. So this is what I found, BeraChain airdrop, which is a really interesting project, and there's a huge amount of people behind this, and then there's a huge community as well. You can join the Discord, and first of all I'm gonna tell you step by step how can we get eligible for this airdrop. So you can go to www.berachain.com. I will put the links on the description, and then when you go there you'll be able to see their website, and you'll be able to see all the information. What kind of I'm not going to go detail into the project. I'm going to show you how the steps what you need to do in order for you to get qualified for the airdrop. I have been active on the Discord channel, but there's no information about how the airdrop will be done, what are the rules and regulation we need to follow. But in my speculation, what I assume that the more swaps we do, the more liquidity we provide, and we bridge here and there, and if you do more of these transactions, and we'll be able to get a big airdrop. So guys, go to the website and click on the dApps, and click on the BEX. So this is the I have already opened it. This is the DEX for the airdrop, but before that we need to click on this, and this is where you get your free tokens, the free testnet tokens. So you need to have a MetaMask wallet. So if you don't have a MetaMask wallet, please create one, and after that just put your wallet address here, and then click this 2 times, and they will airdrop you 100 testnet tokens to your MetaMask wallet. And once it will take like 2 minutes, and every 8 hours you can get these tokens. So make sure that every 8 hours you get the Bera tokens. So you get 0.1 Bera tokens, which means closer to $100, and it will be. And once you go to the BEX, so you make sure you connect the wallet, and once you connect the wallet, just make sure you swap some tokens here and there. But the most important thing, guys, we pay the gas fees with the Bera tokens, so we have to always make sure that we have some Bera tokens in the wallet just to pay the gas fees. This is the mistake I did as well. I just swapped all the Bera tokens from my first airdrop, and then I didn't have any Bera tokens left to do the transaction, so I had to wait for another 8 hours to play around with it. So make sure you don't convert everything, swap everything to any other tokens. Just keep some for the gas fees, because sometimes it depends which time of the day. Sometimes the gas fees can be high, sometimes it can be low, and make sure you also see the gas fees before you do the swap. So once you come to this DEX, you can connect your wallet, and then after 2 minutes you will have 0.1 Bera token, and then you can just start swapping to different coins. And there's also a small task we need to do, and the more you do this task, I will also put this link on the description, and then you'll be able to get some points. And I don't know what these points will do, but it will be, of course, make you eligible for the airdrop, or maybe more tokens. So the first thing what we need to do is that we need to go follow the BeraChain on Twitter, and then retweet about it. You just have to click on it and then go to details, and then it will take you to the Twitter, and then you just simply click to follow it, and then retweet about it, and then you click on it, and then it will create a post automatically. I have already done it, so that's why it doesn't show it. So once you click on it, it will just take you to the Twitter, and then you just repost it, And then you need to go click on this. You need to go to the website. This also have done it, so I don't have to click on it, but for you guys, you need to go through the steps and do whatever they ask you to do. And then join the Discord channel. I had joined the Discord channel. This is the only one I'm working on right now. So which means you need to take a role in the Discord, which means you need to go and help people and ask, interact in the Discord community and help people and answer their questions. The more you interact with the community, and you will get a role. So once you get a role, you will be able to take this, and this is what I'm working on right now, because right now I don't have a role, so I'm just interacting with the community, helping people, and answering all the questions. And then you need to click on this and read all the documents that they have about this. I have already done it, so I don't know why it doesn't take me there. Probably I have done it, that's why. And then there's a small quiz, guys, and you need to answer it, and it's not something major. That it is very simple. That if you did not answer it correct, it tells you have this question is wrong, so just please correct it. And then you need to go to the website. This is the website I told you. This is where you drip your tokens. So once you have created your MetaMask and then put the link there, put your wallet address there, and you will be able to drip your tokens to your account, to your wallet, and then it will come, and this will be ticked automatically. And then you need to once you get the Bera tokens, you need to change the Bera tokens to STG USDC on the BEX, on the DEX over here. So you just click on this one, and then you click on USDC, and you make sure you don't convert all your Bera tokens, just do like half, because we need, as I mentioned earlier, you need to have some in your wallet for the gas fees. So don't do the same mistake I did. Don't convert all your tokens, so keep some for the gas fees. And once you have done this, and then you need to mint honey tokens. So mint honey tokens means you are converting USDC to honey tokens. So for that, once you click on it, it will take you to the website. Right now I have done it, so it doesn't take me. So once you click on it, it will take you to this website, and then you just put USDC, the one once you have converted, it will be already appeared here, and then you just convert into honey, and then click on the button, and it will swap automatically. And then this task will be done, and you will be eligible for, I don't know how I don't know what you will be able to get, but I think this is like one of the main steps you need to go through in order for you to get eligible. I have done all the steps. I just only had to I only have this one. I need to get a role in the Discord, so it will take some time. I need to interact with the community, and I'm working on it right now. So guys, once you have, so what I used to do, that I have every 8 hours I used to get the token airdrop to my wallet, and then I convert into USDC and and honey tokens, and I also provide liquidity. So I go to pools, and you can see over here the API. It is always changes. I think these four has the highest API right now. Is 129. Few hours ago it was almost 300%, 200%, so it goes up and down. So I have provided liquidity to this one. I converted some I converted some Bera to honey and USDC, and provided some liquidity here. So once you have done it, so you need to create an LP token, and it's very simple, guys. You just go to BeraDex. Just go to the DEX and get some honey tokens. So convert your Bera to honey tokens. Make sure you don't do everything, some of them, and then swap this, and then convert some of your tokens to USDC, convert it, and then you go to pool, and then you click on this add, and then it will automatically 50-50, and then it will connect, and then we'll be able to add the liquidity. So you will every day probably you will get like a small amount. The money, the amount of tokens there will go up slowly. You can see it. As you can see, this is what I use mostly, because it's because this is the best thing to do, because it has 200% API, so you'll be able to Even though if you don't need the honey tokens, you can always convert it back to Bera tokens and use it in the future. And then so make sure that you have enough tokens. So the key is over here that every 8 hours you just go and drip the tokens, the Bera tokens, to your wallet, and then keep swapping and then provide liquidity here. So do as much as you can, guys, and the more money you have in the testnet or in the DEX, the more there's a higher chance of you getting a bigger airdrop. So the key is that we swap and we drip the tokens every 8 hours and then provide liquidity and then swap. Also, you can go to this website. I will put the link in the description. Over here, you can also, if you have lots of honey tokens, you can stake the honey tokens in order to get the Bera tokens. But the Bera tokens, you will only get 4.47 per epoch, so that's pretty low. But the more things you do, even though this is more profitable, I think this is more profitable in the long run. Like for example, if you stake it, honey and USDC, you get 200%, 100% API, and then you convert it back to Bera tokens. So we get end of the day, we will have more Bera tokens by doing this. But the point over here is that we will try different things. We'll put our testnet tokens to different places, and then we'll try different things and interact with the DEX. And I also did this one. I provided honey tokens in order to get Bera tokens, and then you just pretty simple. Just convert some Bera tokens to honey. Just go here, click on Bera and convert it to honey. And once you have done the swap, then it will appear here, and then put whatever you want, and then connect the wallet and then stake it. Then you will be able to get 4.4% API on honey, and you will get in Bera tokens. So keep doing it, guys, and also make sure that you go to this website. I will put all the information. These are the docs, so these are the documents, and all the important information is over here. So make sure you read it, and then also join the Discord channel. And the Discord channel is very helpful. There are nice people who's helping each other by answering questions. If you don't have any if you face a problem, you can just jump into Discord and ask a question, and they're more than happy to help you. And also, if you have any questions, please write in the description, write in the comments, and I'm more than happy to help you with any questions you have. So guys, these are the steps I showed you. Try to provide as much liquidity in the pools, and just try to do whatever you can. If you can do everything, that's even better. And the point is that we gonna have more money in our wallet with Bera tokens or the other tokens. The more volume you provide to the DEX and to the chain, the more there's a high likely you will get a bigger airdrop. So you can provide volume from staking here. You can provide volume by staking honey tokens over here in order to get Bera tokens. You can also do all these kind of swaps and do different kind of swaps all the time, and then you will also get more tokens. So these are the steps, guys. The most important thing right now is that you go to this website, the Drip website, and then you put your address, and every 8 hours try to get your Bera token, guys. The more Bera token, the more you do, more volume you will be able to create. So this is the most important thing, guys, that every 8 hours you get your Bera tokens to your wallet, and then provide volume from that. Once you get the Bera tokens, you can convert it into anything, USDC, honey, even some ETH, Bitcoin. These are wrapped ETH and Bitcoin, but as you know, this is not real money. This is testnet money. While you're getting airdropped is some fake money for you to try to swap and interact with the DEX. That's why it's called the testnet. So it's people are still testing on it. It's still on the beta version, it's not it haven't gone live yet. So before they go live, they will like more people to come and use it, and then find out all the bugs and issues, and then before they go live, they will be able to fix it. I think the community right now, we have quite a lot of people. Let me try to check. We have quite a lot of people in the community. Lots of people are interacting and answering questions and helping each other, and people are helping also to get the role. So you have to make sure you go there and talk to and help people, and in order to get the role. So guys, this is also very important, this the steps I have gone through one by one. So make sure you have completed this too, and it's also a very important step in the process. So guys, if you have any questions, please write in the comments and I will answer it to you. And also like and subscribe for more videos like this, because I think this airdrop will be a really good one if you keep getting the tokens every 8 hours, and if you're interacting with the community, and if you're interacting with the decks, I think we'll be able to get a good airdrop, guys. So please be consistent and have a plan every day. Come to your laptop before it doesn't take that long. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes to be honest, and get the testnet airdrop, convert and provide liquidity, and keep doing it every day and every 8 hours. And it's pretty simple, guys. So consistency is the key. And I know some of us we just forget about it, but have a plan in the morning, write it down, have like a checklist, and add it into your do list every day, so you don't forget. And nowadays it's very easy to make money, guys. So if you do the right thing, if you have the consistency, it is easy, but being consistent is the hardest thing. So yeah, guys, I would like to stop from here, and if you have any questions, so please write in the comments, and like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any if you are getting involved in any airdrops, please write in the comments below, and I will have a look into it, and we'll be keep in touch. And if you have any advice or any other ideas about any good airdrops, please let us know, and we will share each other, and we'll grow from here. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.